Okay, this is Assembly Square. I've had it for about 2.5 years. I've always loved it. It's a personal favourite of mine, mainly because it's the first modular I built. I always found that it had a lot of detail which is lost because you just can't see it all. So went on to Like My Bricks, bought their kit, put it in, and voila. The fountain pulsates, even the little coffee sign is illuminated. You can see inside and see the ballerina on the flat bar. You can go down and you can see the music shop. Right in the back you can see the dentist. You can see things like the florist. So they went to a lot of detail. They've lit up everything. Even at the ground level you can see all the lights are functional. And one more little thing, even though you may not see it depending on how you've got yours set up, even the little fire at the back in the barbecue runs. So to me, yes, you can just have it as is, but I think this just lifts it to a whole new level.